So for this activity, we're going to use the previous activity that we already saved it. Let's copy paste it as usual. And then we're going to use task 10H. Okay. So we're going to use the report. Yes, to be specific, the report from task 10H. So there is this activity is focusing on sorting the fields. So by using the type field in ascending order, and the second level, we're going to use the price field in descending order. Before we go and do it in practically, so let me explain to you what are the two methods we have been explaining. I explained them in my previous task 10Y and task 10X, so I'm going to re-explain it, and I'm going to apply these two methods as well over this activity. The first method, in case you did not yet create the report, then when you're going to create the report, you can create it over here, and you can set or sort your data over here. The second method, in case you're done creating your report and you don't want to recreate it, then there is a method you can go and sort your data. So both of the methods are effective, but there are some minor differences, or the result could be a bit different. So I'm going to explain to you how to do it. So I'm going to start by creating the report from the beginning. So I'm going to use the first method. So we're supposed to aim for activity 10H. So I am going to use this query. So I'm going to go to create, click on the report wizard, and I'm going to aim for activity 10H. So let's add all the fields, go next. We don't want to do any grouping over here. Okay, what we need to do is over here. So I want to set two fields, ascending of type and descending of price. So I have to select type to be ascending, and second, price to be descending. These are the two requirements for sorting. Go to the next one, next, and over here is just change it because we are now in activity K. So click on, let's just set it as sorting, and let's just keep it as sorting. Okay, finish. All right, so you got this one. So let me just, oops. Okay, let me just format it a bit, and then let's go for the next method. Okay, that was just simple formatting, and that's the result from, you can see that type is ascending order P, and then comes the Y. The second method, it should be descending for the price. So you can see in power, all the prices are going descending order. While in yacht, and then when you go to the yacht, you can find the price again hike up. It was 1095, and then it hike up because it reached the second category. Then starting from descending and going below. That's the first method of sorting. The second method, let me explain it to you. So let's save this one and let's close it. Second method, I already have the file, okay? So we're asked to use this file. So I'm going to Control C, Control V. I'm not going to create it again. Okay, so that's the point. You don't need to recreate it. So Control C, Control V, just for the naming purpose, I'm doing Control C, Control V. But in case you're during the exam time, you really don't need to do that again. So that's going to be the same file exactly matching with this, but I'm going to show you another method of sorting. So assume that you already got this file and you want to sort it, okay? You can see it's not sorted over here, all right? So let's go to the design view. After you go to the design view, go to the group and sort, and over here you will find the add a sort icon. Okay, so put the type and make sure it is from A2 on the top, that's the ascending, Z on the top, that's descending. In case it's a numeric field, then you're going to find from smallest to the largest and vice versa. So smallest to the largest ascending, and largest to smallest is going to be descending. Anyway, back again to, we need to select type, and it needs to be ascending order. Second level, we need to select price, and it needs to be descending order, so largest to smallest. All right, that's it. So let's go over here and check. I just need to make sure formatting is correct. Yeah, already done. Okay, now let's compare between this method and the previous method. You will see, by the way, related for this paper, both methods are correct. You can choose any method, but let me now show you the difference, that in case any method you chose, what will be the differences. So that's for the first method, that's the second method. Should be, I think I applied it to the wrong file, so let me go and set it back. So again, oh no, it was correct file. Yes. Okay, let's see the differences now. Okay, can you see the difference? That's the first file and the second file. The difference is when we selected the first method is changing the column places. So we'll find that the one that we chose, type and price, which had the sorting method in it, they came as the first columns here, while the rest got followed. So the creating method from the report wizard is going to rearrange your columns. So in case you have a specific format or arrangement for fields, do not go for report wizard. In case you're okay with that and you can change the fields, then go ahead with the report wizard. The second method, you already have a report ready, already sorted, everything is already in its place. You just need to sort the data. So go ahead and do it from the design view. You do not need to create it from the beginning. So that's the only minor difference between the two methods. You can choose whatever method is suitable for you and based on your question paper. That's for this activity. Let's carry on to the next one in the next video.